Hello everyone. My name is Hafiz Umar Asad, and in today's video, I will be explaining about comparison and contrast essay. So, what is compare and contrast essay? The definition of it is kind of similar to comparison essay. The difference is in comparison essay and contrast essay, the writing should also involve contrasting the difference between the subject in the essay. So, in conclusion, comparison and contrast essay is an essay that compare the similarities between the two objects or more, and also contrasting the difference between them. Compare and contrast essay structure. Compare and contrast essay have two different structure. The first one is block structure, and the second one is point by point structure. In the block structure, all of the information about one of the objects being compared and contrasted is given first, and of the information about the other object is listed afterward. This structure is similar to the one that is used for cause and effect problem solution essay. In point by point structure, each similarity or difference for one object is followed immediately by the other similarity or difference for the other. Now, after you know what are the structures look like, how to actually write a compare and contrast essay. What are the steps to write it? The first step is pick the subject you wanted to compare or contrast and contrast. And also important note, be mindful with the coherency of the subject itself. Uh, for example, if you are trying to examine an ideology, you have to compare it with the other ideology. Another example, if you are trying to examine a president, compare it with the other president. Don't compare a president with a comedian because they don't have any coherence. The next step, the second step is you should list the characteristic of the subject that you are comparing or examining. You should first write the similarities between the object, then write the difference between them. Here are the example. This step will make you easier to organize your essay. The next step is organizing. This is kind of the outline of what the essay will look like. This step will make your writing process a lot more easier. Here are the example of organizing the essay. So you kind of get the outline of what you are trying to write. And last but not least is try to signal your transition using compare and contrast structure words. Here are a few of those words and the example as well. If you need to read it carefully, you should screenshot it or pause the video. Now, after we get all of that, I will read the compare and contrast essay that I wrote. Communist versus capitalist. It has been known among the community of ideology that communists and capitalists are an eternal enemy. Both of the ideology got all the way back to the year of Cold War. But that doesn't close the possibility that those ideology might have some similarity in them. For example, even though they have different method in executing their economy system, both of their economy system is still regulated by common economy system. Most of the economic decision made from a certain point until it actually flows to the people with commercial setting. In communists, there's enterprises that organize everything and deciding between what the people give and what they will reward it, and what will they reward and what their reward will be. Whereas in capitalists, the command economy is directed at ensuring that ownership of the factors of production is legal and that no one can deny the rights of other to own property. Even though they have similarity in their economy system, their principle in ownership of vital resource to run the economy are very different. Communists forbid the individual of ownership upon vital resources. They think all of those resources should be owned by the government. It connected to the principle of individual freedom that they have, which putting public interest above individual interests. On the other hand, capitalists believe in individual ownership upon vital resources. The huge part of income percentage will be earned by those who own the resources. The workers who's responsible for the business to the function will earn small percentage of the income. Capitalists also believe to attach importance in individual interests more rather than in public interests. So I guess that is all I can explain about a compare and contrast essay. Hope you all learn something new from the video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.